probably should have taken a before picture of what this rattan looked like in its package. All right, now that we have smoothed everything out, or at least ground down the pith side of this cane wrap, you can see here that it just runs real easily right over my thumb. It'll bend around the grip without too much issue. So that's kind of uniform throughout the whole length here. And we are dealing with like little bits and pieces that have like bend in them and whatnot. So what we're going to do from here is soak this material in warm water for about, I don't know, 20 minutes to half an hour. It may not even take that long. And the idea is to just get it really nice and supple so that we can apply it then to our bow. All right, guys, getting ready to wrap this on. I'm just patting off the water a little bit here, primarily so it doesn't mess up my tabletop, more so than anything else. Got a couple extra helpers on the top of the workbench here, being double stick tape, and then of course my third hand here, some blue tape. Man, be careful not to step on this stuff on the floor when working with it. And I'm going to lay down a little bit of double stick tape, not because it'll really hold the rattan down so much, but once it's wrapped tight to the tape will hold it in place pretty well. And this is one of those things that I know that in the end result, if this rattan were to come off, like on purpose, if somebody doesn't like a rattan grip, then it'll come off, not like if you were to do like a super glue or glue this all on. Because as you go along this wrap, guys, we don't want to be overlapping too awful much. And as a matter of fact, not at all. We want each successive wrap to match up to the base of the prior wrap. I'm going to go ahead, you guys, and just wrap this out. And then I will come back to show you how we finish it out. So I figure to be within the last 3 or 4 wraps here on this one. And what I'm going to do is take some blue tape right across the front here and just wrap it tightly around what I have finished at this point. And that way it'll hold my wraps tight while I work on getting the end finished out here. So what I've got is 4 remaining wraps to get me down my way here. And then you can see the loop here has no twist or anything in it, but it does turn upside down, so we'll have a single crease to get back up through the wraps. All right, so I'm going to take our existing wrap here, get the tape up out of the way. And wrap down tight on this wrap. All right, so until we come to our last bit right here. Now we'll pull this on through. As we do, you'll see that it comes to what would be one last crease, and that crease is going to be right about here. So put the crease in advance. Pull this guy up and through. And there we go. There's our finish wrap right there. Again, we'll just let that set overnight, and we can put any kind of finish on there that we want. This is going to be like impervious to water. I mean, this is a great grip to employ for like hunting bows, etc. Where, you know, moisture is a liability. Uh-oh. This is not a good thing. There we go. On your grip.